This video was brought to you by the ILC. Hello once again, and welcome to episode 10, Adding and Subtracting Polynomial Expressions. I've got a quick one for you today that's just a review about distributing negative signs through polynomials. Let's not waste any time. So in this problem, I have you subtracting 4x times the quantity x plus 2 minus the quantity x squared plus 2x minus 2. Now to solve this, we're just going to distribute anything we can before we do anything else, because that makes the terms easier to handle. So we'll do 4x times x, which is 4x squared, and 4x times positive 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and we keep the x. Now we move on to the second term, and we are going to distribute this negative sign across all three of these terms. So negative of x squared gives us minus x squared. Negative of 2x gives us minus 2x. And negative of negative 2 gives us positive 2. Now that we have all of our terms, let's just try to combine any like terms that we can. Well, I see an x squared term here, and a negative x squared term here. Now remember that you have an understood 1 in front of the x squared if there's no number. So we can combine these into a single term. 4x squared minus 1x squared gives us 3x squared for our first term. Now we'll look to our next term, 8x. Well, we do have an x term right here. We have 8x minus 2x. We can combine those into a single term. And 8 minus 2 is positive 6x. And then we have our one remaining term, the plus 2. We have nothing to combine that with, so we just have 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. As long as you don't try to combine any of the x squared terms with some of the x terms, and you don't try to combine any of the x terms with the non-x terms, you should be okay. So for this problem, our final answer is just 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you again next episode.